Manage your displays effortlessly, anytime, anywhere. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to remotely switch input sources and verify display settings using Neovo Manager. Let's get started. Choose the paired display you want to manage. After a brief moment, the display screen will appear in real time. Go to Device Info, then tap Remote Monitoring. In the right-hand panel, locate the Input Source section. Select your desired input source. The paired display will immediately switch to the selected source. Wait for the display to update and show content from the new input source. Go to the Remote Control tab. Tap Settings to verify that the display settings are correct. Tap Back to exit and close the settings. Now, your displays can switch between input sources anytime, anywhere, with just a few taps.